Another cool project I also collaborated at Deepmind for a bit was with a game theory group. And this is an exciting one for those of you who follow football or soccer in the US and Canada. We collaborated with researchers from Liverpool Football Club, and we published a paper on what AI can do for football and football can do for AI. It's a pretty interesting paper. It was published in the Journal of AI Research, so you can have a look at that. I primarily worked on some of the computer vision aspects of that, seeing how we can estimate pose and so forth. So that was quite an interesting project. We also organized a workshop. I'm personally into sports quite a bit, and again, I see the potential where AI techniques can potentially augment players' abilities, like maybe make coaching more effective or help people get insight which couldn't be readily achieved as much in the past. So I'm pretty passionate about that area. So we organized a workshop earlier this year on AI for sports. So again, really great to see the different kind of works out there. And yeah, I volunteer as a TPM for technical program committee member for these niche domains. So just it's a great experience to kind of see what's happening over there.